Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Abigail R. Carmelim bringing to the Salesian news across the globe. On 1st December, the Salesian House in Utrera experienced an emotional moment with the presentation of the Signo y Pador Award to Father Juan Carlos Perez Godoy, Councillor for the Mediterranean region. This recognition came from the young people of the Altaba Youth Association for the part and work of Father Perez Godoy, who took his first steps in Utrera in the mother house of Salesian Spain. I am very grateful to the young people of Altaba for this award. I dedicate it to the much loved and much remembered Juanjo Guterres Galeothe, who enjoys the paradise promised by Don Bosco, the councillor shared. The prize, established in 2009 by the Salesian Youth Centre, is an award given by young people to persons or institutions that have worked continuously and actively dedicating time and effort to young people in need. On Monday, 27 November, Father John Louis Plyer, the Rector Major's delegate for the Salesian Family Secretariat, visited the mother house of the Meghalaya family in Miasa Kastova, Poland. He was welcomed by the Superior General of the Congregation of St. Michael the Archangel Michaelites, Father Darius Wilk, by the Mother Vicar of the Congregation of the Sisters of St. Michael the Archangel, also Michaelites, Sister Zachariah Depta, and by the members of both communities. Accompanying him were Brother Dominic Nguyen, World Delegate of the Salesian Cooperators and Past Pupils, Father Zymont Koska, Vice Provincial of the Salesian Province of Poland, Cracovia, and Father Zanis Zapala, Secretary of the Councillor for the Central and North Europe region. The Meghalaya family was founded by Blessed Bronislaus Markiewicz in 1897. Born in 1842, feeling called by God to the priesthood in 1863, he entered the seminary and was ordained a priest on 15 September 1867. A particularly gifted man, he held various pastoral ministries entrusted to him. Attracted by religious life, in November 1885, he left for Italy and had the joy of meeting Saint John Bosco, before whom on 25 March 1887 he professed his religious vows. In 1892, he returned to Poland to take up the position of parish priest in Miasa Kastova, where he remained until his death on 29 January 1912. The Salesian Presence, dedicated to St. Anthony Abbot in Valencia, celebrated the opening of its 125th anniversary with a ceremony held in the institution's theatre on the evening of 1st December before an audience of about 500 people. The Salesians are a very committed educational, religious and social body within the city, running and organizing a school with 1,600 students, a parish, a youth centre and various social platforms. The event paid tribute to the Salesian House and to all the people who made possible the transformation of a neighborhood that originally housed very humble, barely literate families and in many cases linked to the inmates of the San Miguel de los Reyes prison in what is now a multifaceted work which has been for entire generations of civilians, a school, parish, youth center, social platform, theatre, cinema, sports center. In all cases, accompanying thousands of boys and girls who have found the opportunity there to form themselves as people, citizens and Christians. In a momentous occasion on 24 November 2023, Don Bosco International Media Academy, DBIMA, celebrated its inaugural graduation ceremony, marking a significant milestone in the realization of Don Bosco's dream to provide art education to the youth. Founded on the enduring principles of Don Bosco, DBIMA's journey encountered challenges, overcoming accreditation, hurdles and navigating a global pandemic. From its modest beginning with 8 students, the media school has flourished into a vibrant community of 40, offering diverse streams in cinema education. DBIMA's success extends beyond mere numbers as European Union-funded projects have reached 120 young minds across Europe. These projects, encompassing free online filmmaking, artistic enlightenment and photojournalism, have underscored cinema's profound impact on enriching lives and fostering a deeper appreciation for the transformative power of art. In the beautiful setting of the sanctuary of the Consolata in Turin, the most important sanctuary of the city and of the Archdiocese, the much-awaited meeting of the people with Cardinal Angel Fernandez Artime, Rector Major of the Salesians of Don Bosco, took place on the evening of Monday, 4th December. The event served to reflect together on the theme, The Youth of Today, the Great Educational Challenge, and represented the conclusion of the cycle of public meetings organized at the Consolata by the diocesan weekly La Voce e el Tempo. After the appointments with Cardinal Giorgio Marengo, Apostolic Prefect of Ulaanbaatar, Mongolia, on the Pope's prophetic journey to Mongolia on 25th September, and with Sergio Durando, head of the Diocese Pastoral Work for Migrants, on the theme, Migrants, What Should We Do? On the evening of 6 November, on the first Monday of December, it was the Rector Major's turn to weave an active and fruitful dialogue with the Church and the city of Turin, addressing in this case, as already mentioned, the theme of education. So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Till we meet again, thank you for joining us.